This tutorial review will show you how to change your Gmail account password on mobile and desktop. First of all, let's see the process in computer. Open your browser and type here myaccount.google.com and make sure to sign into your Google account. Then click on security and here click on password and you have to verify your Gmail account. So enter here your current password and click on next. And now from here you can easily change your Gmail account password. Now let's see the process in mobile. On your mobile, open the Gmail app. Tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on manage your Google account. Select the security tab. And here tap on password your Google account using your current password. And from here you can easily change your Gmail password. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.